So all right, so now let's talk about the change documents. Okay, let's say there is a one user. Okay, somebody changed some, a T code, or somebody logged, somebody, when did he log in, all of that you need to check that information. Who did any changes for this user, what happened to this? Some user will say, hey, array, someone is removed my, I had some role is removed, someone is locked my ID, something like that you will get. Okay, at the time you can go and check change documents. You have a SUIM also. Instead of that, you can directly enter that user ID here. Okay, if you click information, there is an option called change documents for user. Okay, when you click on this one, so you get the same, it
Okay.
will navigate to the user SUM table. Okay, so now we can see, you can just enter that user ID here. If you have a multiple users, you can enter that one as well. So if you want to see recently, okay, if it is last 2 days back it was working, now it is not working, means you can go for a week. Some users will say, Vijay, it was working on 20 days back, now it is not working, then you can go for a month wise. So you will, some people will, some user IDs will say, users, they say, last 3 4 months back it was working, now it is not working. After that, since 3 months I was not using this ID, something like that you will say, then you can go for a year. So we have all options here. Okay, so now you need to remove the from date, from time. Okay, so then only you need to keep till date. Understood na? Hello?
How is it?
Yeah.
How is it?
So here you can just let it be out. If you want to see change history list, you wanted to see that only, right? So click on the change history list. If you want to see technical view, that also you can see here. So now come back, scroll to the down. Okay, don't touch anything, all these things. Now here you can see. Now I want to see somebody deleted the user ID. Just click here. Okay, execute it. So the particular only
How
line
is it?
you get, who created, who deleted, that you will get. If you want to see who created, okay, so there you can see password, who reset the password, who added the user group, who added the license data, who added the validity extension, all these things. Who, whatever you do changes, you can get to know. Whosoever do for your ID or for someone ID, you can check here who did it, when did it, all of that. So now I have clicked user, who created this user. Okay, let me execute this one. So if I execute this one, see, 14th February 12:36, SecAdmin has created this user ID by using SU01, including timestamp. You will get to know. Understood na?
Yes, yes.
Ah, so go back one
I
step.
see, sir.
So if you want to see, okay, who added the SNC, you can click if you want. If you want us to see all, means you can just click on here, select all, it will get select all. And also if you want to see the roles, okay, let's talk about the user information, user attribute first. Okay, these things you understood, right?
Yes, we understood.
So if you want to see all of this, you can check